Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a unique dropshipping business with Redbubble, beginner guide step by step clearly.
First, visit the Redbubble website and create an account if you don't already have one.
Once logged in, explore the platform to understand its features and offerings. Familiarize yourself with the types of products available for print on demand, such as apparel, home goods, and stationery. Next, brainstorm unique and creative ideas for designs that cater to specific niches or themes.
Consider current trends and what potential customers might be searching for.
Using graphic design software, create high-quality original artwork or designs. Make sure your designs meet Redbubble specifications regarding size and format.
Upload your designs on Redbubble, selecting the products you want to sell.
Pay attention to how your designs look on different products during the upload process. Fill out product descriptions and tags to make your items more discoverable. Set your markup for each product, keeping in mind that higher markups can lead to greater profits. Once your products are uploaded, focus on brand building by creating a cohesive aesthetic.
Utilize social media platforms to showcase your designs and drive traffic to your Redbubble store.
Engage with potential customers through comments and direct messages to foster relationships. Consider joining online communities or forums relevant to your niche to promote your products. Monitor your sales and engagement regularly to understand what works and what doesn't. Be ready to iterate on your designs and marketing strategies based on customer feedback and trends. Continuously create and upload new designs to keep your store fresh and appealing. Lastly, stay updated on Redbubble's guidelines and best practices to ensure compliance and maximize your success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.